I think all wrong. Girl, how can you complain on the Vijaka Moloka de Buklu? Like a comic will show up like Moloka de Vijaka since I requested you. Because 99 on and it takes never to the Peliki no papa boy or a pelage. Now I guess I got to the Peliki because given a situation with some.
So this is simple. This is simple. So when because of you came to our studio, then the miholo yao yaba botlhoko and the better botlhoko. So which project do you want ne because of when you came to our studio walwala? So how can you want project amuloi? And if we wapadlo so or rena utile studio sarna wa thoma walwala. So or te chika in ka studio if when you said you got sick. So please go and record the project somewhere. You remember the lyrics, you'll get a beat. And a beat in say how. You get a beat somewhere, please.
Dumelang guys, Galamala back onto my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video, guys. Zoli the Smokes, who is an artist, has finally decided to respond to Ngwanaba Magolo Kgopotso after Kgopotso came onto social media to say that she wasn't credited on their hit song called Uyabyani Kerekeni. As she is kind of a lead vocalist on that track. You guys, the track was of course featuring Zoli and Tribe. Now Ngwanaba Magolo of course did go live and she was fuming the athlete to a fourth moloring. She called Zoli out and also Tribe out, you guys. Now this lady has filed now. Zoli released that old audio conversation between Yena and Kgopotso to prove that Kgopotso is not as innocent as she paints herself out to be. And she also posted screenshots, which I am just gonna go ahead and read and go to screenshot on Jewe. Kgopotso, you do know very well or you were credited mo kosheng kia o ya bjane kerekeng. Tlogela go botša batho maaka. Stop lying to the masses. It's just because we're now like popular on social media. So Zoli Ngoji this post, let me just call it that, and she said, "Stop misleading people. You are credited on Uyabyani Kerekeng song. Lebaka la gore your name is kaba gona kara Apple Music Store or you didn't have a I don't know what that is, a Discotic account at the time the song was released. Remember, how was it supposed to be linked to you or your name? Stop misleading people." Zoli the Smokes is actually, coming, gun blazing, exposing, of course, Kgopotso for allegedly lying and says that, what, you were credited. Stop acting like you were not. Stop acting like wena hey victim me. We credited you on the song, so what are you talking about? Anyways, you guys, what do you think about this whole situation? Please engage in the comment section. Of course, make sure to subscribe so that let's get miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Le monna wa producer o tla fela le fast le ka moka then tshwatsa rena ba di freya wena o ska gata ka moseleng ke gafa 1700